how to buy and sell stock in MyTrade. Visit to your MyTrade. The website is mytrade.com.ph. So click mo yan, sign in, then encode your username and password, then log in. Okay, so you are now inside in the trading hall. So gagawin natin ngayon is turuan ko kayo how to sell and how to buy, okay, the stocks using this platform in MyTrade. There are many ways how to buy and sell. So I give you some. Easy is just click this one, buy. So easy lang yan, buy. Or then if you want to sell, here, sell. So that's one. And another way is here, if you want, so just simply double click. So you want to double click, so lalabas yan. Okay, lalabas yan. Okay, so the moment you click here, one click, let's say like example, one click, so mag-transfer to sa market depths. Ano ba yung market depth? Ito yung specific stocks na gusto mo makita yung bid and ask. Okay, kung magmamatch yun, i-discuss natin a little bit about this. Yung bid, ano ba yung bid? Ito yung price represent the maximum price that the buyers is willing to pay for the shares of stocks. So ano ba to? Ito yung pinakamataas na presyo ng buyers na gusto siya na bumili ng shares of stocks. Okay, ano ba yung ask? Ang ask is yung price represent the minimum price that a seller is willing to take to the shares of stocks. So again, ito yung pinaka-minimum na presyo gusto niya ibenta yung stocks niya. Okay, so then if mag-match to, then automatically mabuy niya and sell. Nag-deal na silang buy and sell. Ano ba itong B quality is bid quantity. So bid quantity meaning ito yung total available based on the bid price. Nga dito na price, ito yung available. Kung ask naman, total ask available based on this price. Itong mga number dito yung number of people or institution nga gusto siya this price nga nag-sell sila, at dito the numbers of people or institutions gusto nila yung presyo based on this bid price. Okay, so I hope guys naintindihan niyo yan. Very simple yan. Okay, so bid price, ang bid is ano itong bid price is the maximum ng gusto ng buyer na presyo. Kung ma-coincide yon sa seller nga minimum na gusto niya ibenta na price, then deal na yon. Okay, deal na yon automatically. Okay, so again, try natin how to buy and sell. So of course, just simply click buy. Then of course, simple lang talaga. Okay, just simple talaga. Trading limits, ito available ang value mo nga you want to purchase the stocks. Then account number, ito given by the MyTrade. Then stock, dito ito yon yung gusto, anong stock gusto mo, or you want to type, pwede mo i-type yan. Gusto mo Jollibee, JFC, so dapat alam mo yung mga code. Okay, so we have another trainings for that. And kung ano bang action mo, you want to sell or you want to buy. Okay, dito yung price, mayroong choices of price dyan nga gusto mo nga presyo. So you can choose anong gusto mo nga price you want to buy. Okay? Or you want to sell price, price. So ano ba yung mga price na gusto mo i-sell yon? So mayroong mga choices yon. Okay, when the price and sell meet, automatically ma-purchase yung stock. So yun lang siya kadali. Then after it's ma-final yon, encode mo yung tinatawag mo na PIN, para siyang PIN ng ATM, 6-digit number yon. Dapat hindi mo yan kalimutan. Again, hindi mo talaga kalimutan username, password, at PIN. Importante yon. And the quantity, ilan ba yung price gusto mo? Okay, so here, mag-based to sa per 1,000 based on the board lot. Kasi per 1,000 man yun. So, try to check. So, I have trainings on that, on the board lot per 1,000. Okay, once okay na, then you just simply click sell. Yun lang. Then, makita mo yung order for, then confirm mo, then maghintay ka lang para mabuy na yon or ma-sell na yon. So, as just simply as that. Okay, advice ko sa inyo is if you want to buy stocks, the more long hold, hindi mo i-sell yon, the more guaranteed return. Okay, kasi abot ng years yon, much better kasi guaranteed return yon. Okay, so pwede naman mag-daily trading, but always remember there is commission yung broker, so mag-deduct yon. Maliit naman, pero always deduct yon the moment you buy and the moment you sell. So yun. So try to compute, baka manigative ka on the commission side. Okay, but if you want, yes, every day you can tinatawag yan daily trading. Okay, pwede kayo doon, and pwede yon long hold mo. Pwede i-long hold mo. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, no, about this. Then I will give you more training about this MyTrade platform para maintindihan nyo paano to drive this platform. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from it.